Okay, we can imagine it is an AR app and we want to show the 3D model in multiplayer. But the positioning system is different. For example, this is the position of 3D model for user 1 and this is the position of 3D model of user 2. As you can see, the distance of user 2's model with camera is 2 times more than user 1's model position. So it will have a problem for positioning system because the positions are not the same. What we can do, the best thing is we can set the positions related to the object. So it doesn't matter where is the object in the 3D space. The important thing is where we are dependent to the 3D object. With this method, the 000 position of AR camera in the 3D space, it doesn't matter. The position of and distance of our AR camera related to the 3D object is important. For example, I show the 3D model in here. I came back. Okay. As you can see, it is my view in user 1 and user 2 will see this cube exactly in front of his device. But the 000 of my application is different than 000 in his application because maybe he appears his model more far than away of AR camera. But if we forget the 000 of unity, we can set our positioning system related to the 3D object and we can continue with this positioning system. With this solution, the positioning, the black character and red character is related to the red cube. It means for example, if it is 000 and it is 000 for each users, it will be changed and red cube 1 is the 000 reference at the positioning reference for user 1. It means when we create a 3D model in the AR scene, it will appear the red cube and put the model in here. Then all the users and all the characters related to this cube. It doesn't matter where is exactly the 000 and where is the AR camera in the 3D space. The important thing is where is the AR camera related to the cube. It is the same for the user 2. It will be like this. When we create a 3D cube in the AR scene, as you can see, it will move like that. Forget this part. It will put the 3D character dependent to the red cube, not 000 of unity or the position of AR camera in the 3D space. We can create a trigger system to understand where is exactly this black character dependent to the red cube. Okay, let's go to the next step.